Hi everyone, so welcome back. And today I came with one of the hottest topic of 2023, that is cybersecurity. You can think like how this technology is going to be one of the fastest growing and most demanding in future. So first of all, I want to start or I want to give some flashback during pandemic you have observed how things suddenly changed and how most of the companies started moving towards the digital world, how employees started working remotely effectively. So as we see how the technology are growing more and more every day, and after pandemic there is going to be a huge demand of the digital thing. And as an employee you can think before pandemic you never thought about that much amount of time you will work remotely over a year or almost 2 3 years. So in order to move faster towards digital era, you have seen after pandemic suddenly how the industries started moving towards the cloud faster as compared to before, because every organization wants to streamline their process. Not only the process entire, they want to restructure the entire infrastructure of the organization. They not only want to restructure but also want to save some cost. So because all of this thing, suddenly all the industries and the organization, whether it is a small sector or a large sector, they suddenly started moving their workloads toward the cloud. Most demanding clouds are one of the most demanding, that is Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and AWS. Apart from this, there are many other vendors also available, those who is providing public cloud. So so organization. So, do you think when you move the workloads to the public cloud Azure, AWS, or Google, so do you think it is 100% secure, or we no need to worry about this? We have moved the things and no need to manage. The Azure will take care or AWS is take care. So, do you think it is 100% secure? So 100% not. The information is never secure. Whether you are going to apply 100% security, but it is not secure, because day by day the different security threats are arising. Not only the security patterns, different strategy, and the cyber criminals, they are also doing research on how the industry is moving, how they are moving their workloads, and how to hack them, and how to demand for some ransom, or how to get into their system and capture the industry's data. That's why the concept of zero trust model came into existence. Once industry is moving towards cloud, and cyber security is going to be very biggest concern. So according to the zero trust model means do not trust at all. You can't trust anybody or anyone. We need to follow the zero trust model, how it works, or how you are going to secure your workload, not only before migration or after migration or during the migration, during the entire life cycle, during the entire life cycle, how you are going to secure the information or the data you are moving towards the cloud. We should not 100% believe on any public cloud that they are going to like our information is going to be 100% safe. That's why the concept of cybersecurity arising, and because of this new digital technology like IoT, artificial intelligence, so these technologies collecting lots of data, generating lots of data, piles of data, generating lots of information. There is a chances of information leakage. Either you are using any application, organization app, you are creating information, you are sharing information, there is a lot of chances that information is going to be leaked. So how you are going to secure all of this? You can see the day by day you are seeing different kind of threats, how the cyber criminals, they are using dark web and stealing our personal, whether it is PII or your healthcare information or any kind of information that is related to the finance. So they are trying to steal those information by creating different threats. So threats, it is not limited. Suppose a organization started using analyzing threats and they think like we have analyze all the threat patterns, and based on the threats, number of threats, our organization is completely secure. No, still you are not 100% secure, or your information is never going to be secure, because the cyber criminals, they are also doing research like how the industries are moving their workloads and how they are going to use different kinds of application, or what kind of they are using software. So they are creating different threat patterns. So this is our priority. So once the workload move towards the cloud, so it's our first priority to analyze those patterns on daily basis. We have to apply more and more policies to our infrastructure, because infrastructure is more important, and we need to analyze those patterns, like whether this is a phishing activity, whether this is a spam activity, or this is going to be a very high. We need to define some security measures within our policies in order to understand those threat patterns. This could be anything. The threats are not only limited like somebody is behind the dark web is doing these activities. This is not only limited, but this is also insider risk. We should not think that our employee is very sincere and our company's assets. So still there is a chances of insider risk. A risk can occur by your internal resource. They can leakage the information. That can lead to some financial loss. This can also lead to the reputation loss. Once the reputation loss, a huge loss. Huge loss means you lose the market, you lose the control, you lose everything. Nothing will be left. So cyber security is going to be one of the hottest topic in coming days. So we need to think more about this technology, and this in every sector. This is not limited to any particular sector. Like you can think about multiple sector, like it's whether it's retail or healthcare or manufacturing sector. Any sector, the security is the most priority thing. We should not tolerate these things lightly, because when we talk 24/7, when we talk about we work 24/7, we also think about whether we are secure 24/7 or not. So this is the most important, this is going to be a huge demanding and most important topic in upcoming future. And this sector is going to generate more and more opportunities, not only limited to a particular level. Almost all the levels inside the organization can be benefited of this technology. There are a lot of position is going to create, like security engineer, information protection engineer, or you can say security shock analyst, or cyber analyst. So based on the different position, different position is going to create within the organization. So it's a huge opportunity for everyone to learn this technology, so that we can grab this opportunity very soon. And as we know everybody, like how the situation currently, the situation is going around the world after the pandemic. It's a recession. Everybody can see like how the recession is going, and layoff around the almost all the companies are laying off their employees. So we need to think positively, and we need to take certain steps so that we can sustain ourselves for the future or the upcoming journey. So we need to learn the right skill parallelly apart from your what you are doing in your current job. We need to upgrade, and so that whenever the opportunity creates, so you can grab it faster. And once again, if I done any mistakes or anything, I just want to apologize for that. And after watching these videos, you can leave the feedback, give some feedback, so that I can do some improvement in upcoming videos, so that I can deliver more confidently, and I can come with some more interesting topics. So wish you all the best for upcoming journey, and we should learn this cyber technology. By learning this technology, I want to give some lesson, like we are not going to going to secure our future only, but we can secure everything. You can secure your information, you can secure your organization, and you can build your own reputation. You can build your organization reputation. So definitely you and organization will be reputed. So once again, thanks for watching my this video, and wish you all the best. And I will make sure I will prepare some interesting content in upcoming days, and without any hesitation I will deliver it through all the social medias, like Facebook and LinkedIn. So what next? Are you going to learn cybersecurity, or are you going to be a cyber criminal? It's your choice. Best of luck.